Hello friends, it's me Ashish Misra and today we will be learning about the command prompt. So here we are. I have this theme, you can change the color. Leave it doesn't matter. So let us begin with our tutorial. Today we will be learning about the creation of directories and its attributes, what else to be done, and several ways to manage it. Let me first create a directory here. I created a directory. Let me show it. Dir. So you can see it in several ways. Like this, you see it is the page-wise form. The way you are looking here, this is in the page-wise form. But what when you want to view it in a wide way? You see, you see the same things are shown here. Idle, PyCharm, seed, 3D object, same whatever is written here, everything is told this side one, this side, the rightmost. But everything is in the wide format. Just the names of the directories is given and no any information, right? So next you can see is dir/a colon and you can do with the date, right? So on the basis of date it will be showing you when it got created, right? So next you see we can view it using on the basis of next is just viewing the directory. Simply write d here and everything will be shown to you as per the directories, right? It is same as the one you saw last time, page wise, right? So next you have is instead of D you can write R for read only files. Okay, so next you see is we have instead of R, next we have S for system files. So next instead of S you can use H if you want to view any hidden files. You see these are the hidden files in my one. Let me clear this screen. These were to be used with A, parameter A. Now next you have is with O. Always remember that you must give a space here, like I have given. So next here I have by name. If you choose it on the basis of name, it will be shown in alphabetical order from the smallest to bigger one. But what if you want to reverse it? Reversing we will do later on. Next we have is viewing directories on the basis of their size. See, here I have done on the basis of size. Now next we have, let me first clear it again. on the basis of extension. Right, you see here, let me again clear this. Next we have is on the basis of date and time. Right, you see here. Let me again clear it. And next we have to reverse. You can use dir slash o, this prefix, subtraction prefix, and anyone, like if you want to choose n, or instead of n you want to write as on the basis of size, or instead of size you want to do with extension, or instead of extension you want to do with the date. You can do the same way by using the minus prefix or subtract prefix, right? So next we have is finding or displaying all the directories and subdirectories. Dir slash s, all the directories and subdirectory as you see are being shown in my one. The same thing will happen in your one also. You saw there, right? It takes a long time for its execution as all the directories and subdirectories got listed there. So next we have for searching directory like dir. You see, if you know the number of characters, like in this HP directory I created a directory named ashish, that is ASHISH. 6 characters are there, so you can use question mark here. Number of characters is equal to number of question marks and hit enter. So from this you will be getting the directories that are up to, or which has the maximum number of characters up to the character of the directory you are searching, right? So here as he is playing music videos, these are the directories which have the characters, number of characters up to 6. So next you have for searching any directories. If you don't know, if you don't know, then you don't know about it, simply dir, that will be okay. But what if you want to search any file? SDIR command not only shows you the directories but also the files. Let me first create a file here. Copy txt, right? Now save it. I don't know the name now. Let's suppose that we don't know the name. And so if I type here dir, I just know its extension, that it is a txt file. I will get it, right? You see here I got. Next, what if you know the name but you don't know its extension? In the same way you will be doing it, like HISART hazard dot and star. You will get the same here. So that is all for today. Now in the next you will be learning about the folders, or not folders but files, how to manage them, what are the attributes to be used, and more else. And here we are going to conclude.